Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming back and checking out my channel. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be opening up a $2,400 mystery box right after this. So today is a little bit different. I didn't really buy a mystery box from a store or from a friend. I actually trusted some random person on Facebook in one of these Facebook groups. So hopefully that I didn't get scammed or anything. I'm pretty sure he has a pretty good reputation on Facebook. His name is Mr. Thomas. I'll put his Facebook right up here. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this box. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek at this first box. I don't know what to tell you. I do see bubble wrapping. I don't know if this helps at all, but let's go ahead and jump into it. First box I do see right here is a Jordan 11 box in a size 9.5 in the Concord colorway. So let's go ahead and take a look into this. Alright, so here they are. So this pair is definitely used and it's not terrible. The soles are kind of yellow, there's still some iciness to it. There's some creasing on that medial side and a little bit of a scuff even on the patent leather. And they still seem pretty good though, it's not too dirty. I'm pretty sure these will fetch a decent amount on the counter. So these are a size 9.5. If you are interested in any of my shoes, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at The Real Sneak Peek. I also sell shoes on eBay and multiple platforms, so make sure you buy them because they kind of go quick. And next shoe out is a Jordan 1 box. I love these boxes because pretty much means it's a good shoe. A size 8. Oh, okay. Wow. So these are a pair of the bread or band Jordan 1s, whatever you want to call it. These look like they're from the 2016, and these are a size 8, which is good because these smaller sizes sometimes sell for a lot more. And it looks like there's a decent amount of heel drag, which isn't too bad because there's still tons of life in it, and that star count is good. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, what star count is and heel drag is, make sure to check out this educational video that I made. I'll put the link up right here so that you guys can click on it. But everything about this, it's still a great shoe and the leather on this is awesome. So there's definitely a big boost in the counter with this pair right here. Love those. So let's go ahead and get straight back into this one. It's another size Jordan 8. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so these are really cool. I haven't seen these in a while, but these are crazy. So these are the Jordan 1 in the top 3 colorway. And the reason it's called the top 3 colorway is because there are 3 different colorways in one shoe. So some people wanted to call these the what does, but these are the top 3 Jordan 1s. And as you see, there's the Royals, there's the Breads, and also I think it's supposed to be like the Black Toes, but sometimes this panel right here kind of reminds me of the Fragments, which is a crazy shoe too. And it does come with all 3 of these extra laces, so definitely a good shoe. And there is some heel drag, but and some toe and some star loss, but overall it'll still fetch a decent amount because this is a rare shoe. It came out a little while ago. Alright, so that's it for this first box. Now, let's get back into more knife action. Alright, so second box, here we come. The first 3 shoes have already been really great, so no complaints here. Let's grab this box. There's a box and a bag in it. I don't know what that is, but let's look at these Jordans. So these are a size 11, a Jordan 9. Let me open it up for you guys. Here you go. So I believe that these are called the Barrens. I think this is called the Barren Jordan 9s. And these are overall in pretty good condition. There's like a little bit of marks here and there, like there's some pink stuff, but I could definitely clean that off. And yeah, these are an interesting shoe. It's not really the most hyped, so there's probably not too much being added to the count over there, but these are still pretty clean, so I'm guessing that they'll sell and do pretty good, maybe an extra 150, 200 bucks. So it looks like there's only 2 left. I see another Jordan 1 box, and this is a kid size in a size 6.5. So if you want to buy a shoe for your kid in a 6.5, or if you are a woman and you are a size, what is that? A size 8 in women's, this will fit you as well. Oh, snap. Oh, geez, I did not expect this shoe. So we have a pair of the Jordan 1 Chicagos. This is crazy because this shoe has jumped up so much in price after the Last Dance documentary. But, I mean, it's awesome that we got these in here. Of course, I wish these were my size, but man, these are still really clean. There's definitely some toe box creasing. That's normal in Jordan 1s, especially in the grade school sizes. It's some heel drag, but definitely still a lot of life left. I don't see any major flaws with this, and definitely going to be a good add to counter. I don't know if we just opened up the, you know, the hypest shoe in the box, but I am so glad, and these, such an awesome shoe. Thank you so much. I'm pretty happy with this box, so let's see what this last shoe is. It's definitely a bigger shoe. It's in a size 12. So for any of you guys who are size 12, maybe you'll like this one. Yo, dude, this guy killed it with this box. Oh my gosh, I appreciate this box so much. I love this shoe. The Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard, the 1.0s. Oh my gosh. Just seeing this shoe, so many different stories come up. Man, if you didn't hear my story about that one time that I almost got robbed, go ahead and check out the video right here in this link, because in that video I got into a scuffle, and I had a pair of these on, and it definitely tore up the leather right here because I had to like tackle this guy. I don't know the whole story. Like I said, click that link and you'll see. But these are beautiful. These are definitely awesome. So there's definitely some flaws with these, which is fun because this shoe is so popular. There's some scuffing in the back of the heel. And there's some heel drag, some wear down. You know, light star loss, so definitely not bad. And there's, you know, just a few little marks, so hopefully maybe if I clean it, it'll come out. But overall, this shoe is definitely another banger. Those 2 shoes, I'm so glad I opened this box last because this has definitely got me hyped. So I appreciate you so much, Thomas. Definitely gonna make some profit on this. I hope you guys enjoyed all of this. I have a lot more videos to come and about cleaning shoes, how to sell shoes and all that. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because I love doing mystery boxes in front of you guys and you guys getting to participate in this journey of mine. But if you guys also want to learn how to do this stuff, then I'm going to make educational videos for you guys. And make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. The more you guys smash the like button, the more chances I get of more viewers you know, watching this channel. So please do so. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this box? What is the most fire shoe in this box? Because there's a lot of good heat in here. Are you a Jordan 1 fan or not? I want to get to know you guys. I want to get to know who's watching me. So definitely leave some comments down below. I am so close to 500 subscribers, and just so you guys know that there's going to be a giveaway coming as soon as we hit that mark. So make sure if you guys could share this video, if you guys could put it on your Instagram stories, if you guys, whatever you guys can do, I really appreciate all the help. I'm already surprised at the fact that we're almost at 400. Like, to me, like, that's crazy that it's almost like 100 subscribers a video or something like that. And to me, that's just wild. So thank you for all the encouraging words, everybody messaging me being like, hey man, like your stuff is actually good content. Like it's actually stuff I want to watch. I'm not just here supporting you, but I'm actually interested in your videos. Like to me, that means the world. So appreciate all of you guys. And please, 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 let's get to that giveaway because I want to bless somebody real soon. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but we'll be right there. Yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this box. Spent $23.80. There's probably a good, almost like $3,000 maybe in here. I'm just guessing on the top of my head. But as you guys can see over here, here's the counter. These are all the shoes and the box price and how much they go for on the market. But I always like to subtract some fees just in case I sell on Go or StockX. Even eBay takes a small amount of fees. Plus, if I'm doing eBay, I have to pay for shipping. So there's different fees that go in and out. And sometimes I sell locally on OfferUp. So there's a bunch of different variations. So this is what my total profit is going to look like. And I'm pretty happy with it, I'm guessing. So I definitely appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely catch you guys next time. See ya.